How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is John.
How's your day going?
It's going great. Thanks.
Are you busy today?
No, I'm not busy.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
Can you help me clean?
Yes, I can help.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta.
Did you finish the homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Where is the library?
It's on the second floor.
Are you coming to the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Johnson is my favorite.
What's the topic for today?
It's about science.
Do you like this shirt?
Yes, it looks nice.
How much is this?
It's $30.
Where is the food court?
It's on the first floor.
Can we buy ice cream?
Yes, let's get some.
What's your favorite store?
I like the clothing store.
Where are we going?
We are going to the beach.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 10 a.m.
Do you have the tickets?
Yes, I have them.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Can we stop for snacks?
Yes, let's find a store.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Is it going to rain?
No, it's not going to rain.
Do you like the snow?
Yes, I love it.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, it's very hot.
Should I bring an umbrella?
No, you don't need one.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook pasta.
What's for lunch?
We are having sandwiches.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Have you seen a doctor?
Yes, I went yesterday.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I did.
What are your hobbies?
I like painting.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, a little.
What's your favorite game?
I like chess.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love it.
Did you watch the movie?
Yes, it was great.
What's your favorite song?
I like Happy by Pharrell Williams.
Do you like concerts?
Yes, they're fun.
Can we watch a movie tonight?
Yes, let's pick one.
Who's your favorite actor?
I like Leonardo DiCaprio.